Welcome back here at my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. And today it's more of a low carb because I'm making no sugar maraschino cherries. And cherries technically may not be keto, but you know, I'm just gonna go with it. I have a lot of recipes that my family made at Christmas time with maraschino cherries. One of them is chopped up maraschino cherries with walnuts and cream cheese and put it in celery. That was my favorite thing for both Thanksgiving and Christmas. My mother would make it, and then as my mother got older and she didn't want to cook as much, my cousins would make it. It was always my favorite. But maraschino cherries are full of sugar. So I'm going to make a no sugar, sugar-free version. And I have here, these are dark sweet cherries. I got these at Trader Joe's. You can get dark cherries frozen. They're frozen. You can get them at any grocery store. And this is 3 cups. So I'm going to put this in a mason jar. So we're going to put these in this mason jar. You know, with the juice too, because the juice is going to be giving it flavor. And because they're frozen, there will be juice, so you may not need as much liquid to add. But I have in here a 1/2 cup of vodka and 3/4 cup of water. Now, if you don't want to use vodka, you can use lemon juice, so a 1/2 cup of lemon juice or a 1/2 cup of vodka. And to that, I'm going to add just a smidge, maybe 1/8 teaspoon of almond extract. Will bring out the cherry flavor. If you wanted to add cherry extract too, you could, but I think the cherry's juice is going to be just fine. And then I'm going to add stevia, about just a squirt of stevia. It's going to sweeten it up, maybe 2 teaspoons or a tablespoon. I'm going to stir that up, and then I'm just going to pour it over the cherries. Now, this is a lot of juice, so I probably didn't need this much juice. And here you have sugar-free maraschino cherries. This has to sit for 2 weeks, so cover it. I'd put it in the refrigerator for 2 weeks. After that time, you can start using it like you would any other maraschino cherries. So we'll just stir that up a bit. I'm just going to taste the juice just to see. Oh yeah, that's plenty sweet. And after time, you won't even taste the vodka. But next time, I'd probably try making it with lemon juice. I'm going to call it keto. Keto maraschino cherries. Great for the holidays.